Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a nice looking 3D glossy text within Cinema 4D without a background in it, so you could use it for speed arts and backgrounds and YouTube backgrounds and a whole bunch of graphic design stuff. This is what it's going to look like when you're done. Instead with anything, you're just going to have the 3D text nicely cut out, and you're going to also eliminate the steps of having to cut it out with the pen tool or the quick selection tool within Photoshop. Okay, so first off, in the description there's going to be a download link for this file. It's a template file. It'll have everything you need in order to create this glossy text, so it'll make it easier for me to explain it and easier for you to do it. So just go ahead and open that up once you download it, and you'll open it up and you'll have something looking like this. You'll have your lighting, your text, your main text color, your outline color, and yeah, that's pretty much all you're gonna have to do. So if you want to change it, you just select both, click object, and change it to whatever you want. I'll just change it to Phantom for now. So and then you could change the font of it to whatever you want. Just mess around with it a bit, and you could adjust pretty much all the settings to however you like it. But just make sure you keep pretty much the lighting the same, and that's really about it. Oh, and don't really mess around with the render settings once you open this, or else it'll get a little messed up. Just you leave global illumination, ambient occlusion, global and color mapping checked, and also it should be like this, but just in case it's not, make sure you save it as a PNG file. That's what's going to cut the background out for us. But now that we have this, you're just gonna change the text to whatever you want. You could change the colors to whatever you want. They're right here. You have your main text color and your background text color. They're both right below. So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna render it out. And it's gonna take a little while because it's ambient occlusion and global illumination are kind of a render hog, but it doesn't really take significant time. So yeah, I'll cut back in when this is done. Alright, now as you can see, I am done rendering my file in Cinema 4D, so what we're going to do now is just close that out and minimize or hide Cinema 4D. And now you're going to have your file on your desktop or wherever you saved it to, and it's going to look like this. See, the background's already cut out, but you kind of have, or you have the lighting up top, and sometimes, depending on how big your text is, you'll have the light on the bottom. So now what you're going to do is you're just going to simply drag that into Photoshop and select around your text and just do select inverse, and you're going to delete that. And then there you go, the background's cut out. All you have left is your 3D text, which you could then bring into another file and make a background or make a speed art or make a YouTube background, and it just makes things a lot easier, and it looks really nice, very professional. And for an example, I have this one to show. I made this one for someone using this technique, and yeah, so I hope this helps you out. Please like the video, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.